What's up guys, NJ Pyro here, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the Diwali Dazzler Assortment by Winda. I got this, and here's the price, $28.95 at Dapkus Fireworks in Connecticut. So let's get this started. Alright. Winda is one of my favorite brands, just to let you know. But the first one here we have is a Shogun, Let It Shine. We got a small golden flowers fountain. This is 1-inch assorted fountains, but it's 5 pieces. That lets me know, let's get this open, that there is actually small fountains in here. Look at that. Let's see, it looks like just blue and yellow. In here, alright, there's the other 4. Pretty cool. Little fountains. Alright, next we have Fire Desert fountains. 3 of them. By Winda. Peacock Tail fountain. And Silver Glitter fountain, both by Shogun. We have 2 Flowers Garden by Winda. So this is one of those 1-inch fountains. Again, this is a pack. Let's see what's in here. Peacock fountain, silver glittering fountain, and tricolor fountain. I'll show everything again once everything is out. Right. We have silent mode mini. Cool, I like that. Bowling fountain, and a large friendship fountain. And last, we have 3 packs of 10-inch gold sparklers. Alright, so let me get the phone camera here. That was the Diwali Dazzler Assortment. Here's everything that came in it. Pretty cool. Once again, $28. Dapkus Fireworks in Connecticut. Thank you for watching.